Want to create professional motion graphics in seconds without spending weeks learning complex animation software? In this video, we are diving into Jitter, a fast, collaborative, web-based motion design tool that is changing the game with built-in AI. Jitter is designed to take you from a basic idea to polished motion in seconds, right inside your browser. One of its most exciting updates is Jitter AI Super Agents, which are AI agents built directly into the platform to help supercharge your creative process. Whether you want to animate text, create stunning transitions, or make your brand assets pop, Jitter makes it incredibly simple. You can easily import your designs directly from Figma, work with your team in real time, and export your finished work in high-quality formats like 4K, GIFs, or Lottie files for web and app integration. It also features handy tools like bolt creation and letter spacing animations, alongside a massive gallery of ready-to-use templates ranging from promo reels to interactive galleries. Over 20,000 creative teams, including brands like Deliveroo and Perplexity, are already using it to scale their motion design. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have a database of external user reviews or third-party ratings to share with you today. Because of that, we can't give you a breakdown of common user complaints or hands-on community feedback. However, looking at the platform's features, the obvious pros are its speed, the incredibly low barrier to entry, and how easy it is to collaborate on the web. On the flip side, because it focuses on simplicity and speed, highly advanced motion designers who need hyper-granular, frame-by-frame control might find it less customizable than heavy desktop software. Overall, if you want high-quality, professional animations without the headache of traditional tools, Jitter is absolutely worth checking out. You can head over to jitter.video to try it out for free and see how it fits into your workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more design tips, and let us know in the comments what you plan to create first.